Okay, we are now going to do the water and scriptural baptism for the Burmese brethren here in Ranong, Thailand. Here is missionary Pastor Bong Magallanes scripturally baptizing his worker, Brother Wei.
Amen.